Welcome to Swift Studios. Today I'll show you how to draw in Adobe Animate CC. So here is a image. Here is the image that I just downloaded from internet, and I'm going to draw this in Adobe Animate CC. So let's drag this in here. So after dragging, it will look something like this. So now what I want to do is I want to create a new layer. So this one is the first layer which has the picture, and this one is the new layer. So I'm going to lock layer 1, and I'm going to click in first frame in layer 1, layer 2. So I'll click here and I'll zoom out to 80%. Now you can see clearly this clearly. Now I will choose line tool, and in stroke color I will choose green or red. So I'll choose green and take the zoom tool and focus on the head, and now I'll start drawing. So basically I want this fill stroke to be 5. So now it looks much better. Now let's draw this. So basically I'm just using line tool to draw this. Now let's draw it here like this and bend this a little bit. Yeah, this looks good, and I'll put it over here like this. So this is the whole drawing process, and I'll continue to draw like this. Sometimes I like to copy and paste things. So I'll just copy this and modify, transform, flipped horizontal, and just put it in here. So this looks great. And now I'm going to draw this. So as you can see, this part is clearly complete, nearly complete. So I'll just choose the fill color and go to this pen pocket tool and click here and then click here. So this will select this color, and again when you click here, this will be colored just like this. So I have a problem in here, so this turned blue as well. So to detect that, I will click in here, and you can see here the line is missing. So I'll just choose here and join this like this and click here back. So now this is not joined, and you can go to pen pocket tool, click here and select the color and fill it like this. And after filling this, you can actually delete this one and this one. So we are almost done. Now I will draw eyes. For this I will draw a oval tool, and this I'll choose empty and create a circle, and Control Z and drag this circle in here. Copy this again, paste in center, put it in here again, and for a little dot I will choose brush tool, or I can use this tool again to create the circle. And when I delete this circle, I have this inside layer, so I'll resize this. I'll press shift and I'll make this color white, and I can now move this in here. Copy this again and paste this in center and move this here again. And inside I can use black color to fill this, so go to pen bucket tool, select black color and fill this in here. So this one is changed by mistake, so let me Control Z and change that back to white. Now let's draw the outer line of the eyes. So again I will pick a line from here to here and here to here, and here to here and here to here, and I will bend this like that. And bend this like that. Now I will draw its peck. Peck can be straight, or you can choose this to bend. This looks okay. So next thing is it's this one. What is this? I don't know. So this one is also nearly complete, but you can see this line in here, so I don't want that line to be there, so I will just color this. But before that I will copy this and copy, paste in center, modify to transform and flip horizontal, and I'll place this in here so that fits perfectly. Now let's color this, and I'll color this, and I'll delete this line only. Now let's draw the remaining parts as well as quick as possible. So now we have almost drawn its head. Let's color this eyes white. And let's draw this quickly. So I'll use zoom in here and try to draw this quickly. these legs also look identical, so I'll draw this and copy this. So let's copy this, paste in center, modify, transform, flip horizontal, and move this in here. Now I'll connect this to feet and its upper body like that. Again, bending these lines. Now let's draw its wings. And we're almost done with the wings. Now all that left is its belly, so let's draw that. So now let's start bending this. Now let's connect these lines. And we are done with its belly. Now let's start coloring all of this. So this one is colored. Now we'll color this. Let's color these wings so you can see different sets. So we'll make this different sets. I forgot to put that one in here, but it's okay now. And just like that one in here. So now this is almost complete, so let's color this. So to see the difference between which part are colored or not, I will separate these different pictures. So let's go to 50% or 80%. Now I will drag all of this, like this. So you can see this one that we just created is, we are able to drag this, but we are not able to drag this one because we have a locked layer in here. So we have locked, so this image is not moving. Everything inside this layer will stay still, untouched, unchanged, but in this layer it will not be so. So let's color. Now we have this color in here. So again there is some mislines, so I'll find this by clicking in here and zooming this. So this is disconnected in here and here, so let's join this and this. Let's go to 80% and make this white. So the eyes are white, and we'll choose this speck and feed to be blue, I mean orange. So there's again some problem in here. Let's zoom in this and click in here and fix this. Now this is fixed and we can start color again. Now we have pink tummy and we have wings of different shades. So our color is almost complete. Now the only thing that is left to do is color the outlines. So this is looking very different from this one because of the screen outlines, and I have missed some shadows like this and this feet shadows, so we may not need that. This is just for showing you how to draw. And after making this outline black, you can see our image. This looks exact copy of this one. And why do I need to do this is because this image does not have a transparent background, whereas this one has a transparent background. So this is about how to draw in Adobe Animate CC, and I'll show you one more thing to publish this image. So let's delete this and publish this image with transparent background. So just put this to the center and click in here and go to file, go to export and export image. And click on enter and choose desktop and select the format and save this. After saving this, you can see the image. This looks really transparent, so I'll make this visible and let's try to export this again. Export image. You can see this is the transparent background, and press enter. Save to the desktop. So this one is the image with transparent background, and when we import it inside the Flash, although this is the image, you don't see the backgrounds in here, whereas this one is not has no transparent background, so you can see these things in the background, but you cannot see these things in the background with this image. So this is all about drawing in Flash or drawing in Animate. See you in next video.